Hello teachers, we are going to be modeling subtraction with using the algebra tiles, subtraction of equations. There are a couple ways that you can go about subtraction. The way that I recommend is removing subtraction in its entirety and making all of your problems addition problems. Because if our students can be successful at addition, then we only have to do that piece and don't have to worry about the subtraction piece. The other way is to really help them understand that a subtraction is the same way of looking at a negative. So you can help by getting your kids remembering, if I were to do, 2 minus 1, and I was also to model 2 plus a negative 1, what both of those would be. And these are essentially the same exact problem, but this one is subtraction and this one is addition. And so you can do that by doing KCO. Another positive thing about having addition sign between two numbers is that they are commutative, so we can move things around if necessary, especially if you had some things on one side of the equal sign and kids were a little confused. So if you would like to go on with that technique, what you would ask your kids to do is, okay, we want to model x, or a variable, minus 3 equals 5. A variable minus 3 equals 5. Okay, so if your students are recognizing that's already negative 3, go ahead and model it. We need a little bit more understanding. Then we're going to say, okay, we're going to rewrite this or do our KCO. So we're having x plus a negative 3 equals 5. Okay, so then we use our same exact verbiage, and everything we used yesterday is that we want to isolate our variable. And to isolate our variable, we're going to add 0 pairs. And what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So we are going to add 3 to both sides, and then remove any 0 pairs we might have, and our variable is worth 5. So on and so forth. You will continue to do that with all of these problems. Same idea. You model students' work, go and monitor. You model students' work, go and monitor, so on and so forth. We get a little bit harder problems when we start getting down here to the x minus a negative 2 equals 3. It's a little bit harder for students to understand what we're doing here. Essentially, we want to have a double negative. And so x minus 2, or a variable y minus a negative 2 equals 3. So we would do our KCO, and we were going to now model y plus a positive 2 equals 3. Create 0 pairs. The great thing about creating 0 pairs is every single time you are adding these two numbers. So what do we do here? We add these two. Go back to our integer rules. 3 plus a negative 2 is a positive 1. Boom. All right. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry. The next step would be to move on to our pictorial. And so your kids will then KCO any subtraction problems. We will model our variable in 7 negatives, 10 positives. Okay, to balance our equation, we need to create 0 pairs. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we added 7 to both sides. Remove any 0 pairs that we might have. We're left with a variable on this side equals 17. And then we complete that and then practice some more on their abstract with lots of repetition. Thank you.